Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity, Cocomi, has returned to Deputy Commissioner of Bishnupur District, apprising about the living conditions of residents of Leimaram, Waroiching, who were resettled recently through efforts from Bishnupur District Administration. In the letter that was issued by Convener Kurajam Athoba, Cocomi congratulated District Administration for successful resettlement of displaced persons from Waroiching, while also highlighting that 7 houses have been completely damaged and flattened after prolonged displacement and due to exposure to severe weather. The families will need to rebuild their houses. Cocomi also informed that many houses lack proper sanitation and toilets, while majority of the families need to renovate or reconstruct at least 70 to 80% of their houses to make them inhabitable. Further, Cocomi also highlighted the critical security issue and urged relevant authority to deploy security border area between the Kuki settlement and Meitei settlement zones rather than policing the everyday movement of returning residents and helpers at the village entrance. Cocomi demanded comprehensive house-by-house damage assessment at the earliest, revision of compensation and rehabilitation packages based on actual damages and current market cost of reconstruction. It further demanded relevant authority to prioritize toilet facilities and also to deploy security personnel at sensitive border area rather than at the village entrance.